How to make money with ChatGPT copywriting. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about ChatGPT and how you can use this incredible application to basically do copywriting and content writing to make money, okay? And yeah, I get it. Nowadays, a lot of people actually want to just make money by sitting in the warmth of their home and the warmth of their room. And they just want to sit at their work desks with their laptop in front of them and just make the money from there. Like they don't want to go out, do a 9 to 5, and just have a very long and tiring day. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning on how you can do that by just sitting in your home and making good money. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all the information and descriptions that I have to give you, because if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end, you're going to fully learn how you're going to do all of this in the easiest, most simplest way. Now, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to first go to any freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Now, in our case, let's go to Fiverr, okay? Now we're going to come to Fiverr and we can see find right freelance service right away. So I'm going to go ahead to the marketplace. And as you can see in the popular services, there's AI artists, logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer. Now, if you were to go in writing and translation up here, and we were to go in content writing, as you can see, it gives us articles and blog posts, content strategy, book and ebook writing, website content, script writing, creative writing, podcast writing, speech writing, and research and summaries. So let's just choose one. Let's choose script writing. Now we've gone to script writing, and as you can see, these people write us, like this person has script coverage, this person writes commercial scripts, and there's like a whole lot of other things. So there's different screenplay, proofreads, and all that. So pretty great and amazing stuff to get your head behind. Now, as you can see, this is your basic script coverage. I will write industry quality script coverage, and this person is costing it for, I'd say, around $100, which is a pretty good price for just, writing a normal script. Now, imagine writing the script. So let's say someone asks us to write industry quality script coverage. So we're going to come to ChatGPT and we're going to write, please write me an industry quality script about, let's say, factory machines. Okay, we're gonna write that. Let's enter. So let's say someone asked us to write, industry quality stuff about factory machines. So, title: Revolution of Steel, International Steel Factory Day. So, as you can see, it gives us a whole script and a whole role play. So, internal steel factory, a vast industrial complex filled with the towering machinery and bustling workers. The air is thick with the smell of metal and the clanging sounds of production. Meet Lucas, a seasoned factory worker in the early 40s. Wearing a worn out uniform, he gazes at the machinery with a mix of pride and curiosity. So, as you can see, you get like the whole understanding and gist of it, because it's like so simple and so easy at the same time to, write all of this. And actually, and the words that are written, the way the words are written, it's pretty easy to understand. It's really good and it's really understandable. So, really amazing and great stuff to actually get your head behind all of this, because it's just an overall great thing to have for your page and everything. And it's great to have for your Fiverr, and you can get good reviews. And you can see that just by sitting over here in like a matter of 2 minutes, I had this bot write me a proper script that, could have taken me a day or two. So pretty great and amazing stuff that we can understand about, ChatGPT and a lot. Now, moving on, when it comes to more copywriting, let's go back on to Fiverr. Let's go to writing and translation. So there's articles and blog posts. So you can also ask ChatGPT to write you great articles and, SEO level blog posts. So we can write, come here, send a message, write SEO Google page one blog posts, let's say about Nightingale. Okay. So, you can ask it to write anything, random stuff. And as you can see, the nightingale, a melodious bird with a rich history, and it writes a whole damn article on it. And it's like an SEO Google page one article, which means that it's on the level of appearing on the first page on your Google. And obviously, that's what matters the most, because when you're writing an article of this level, it needs to, actually appear on the top page of Google, because that just works best for you, because, it's going to get you your popularity, and it's also going to allow you to, maybe get paid through, your AdSense and stuff like that. So pretty great stuff to actually, have for your page and to actually get your head behind. And obviously there's more and more stuff in copywriting than, what you see in front of you. Now, why I say that is because there's actually like a lot of other things that you can see. So we're gonna come here, writing a translation. Now, you can also write whole website contents or books or ebooks. Now, I don't know a lot about others, but I do know that people pay a lot for book and ebook writing, because book and ebook writing contain a lot, like obviously it's a whole book. There's a lot of words. So now look at this. These people, they write whole books. So I will write your book proposal. So this person has a PhD in English and they're writing a book proposal. They have a doctorate and they are charging around, I'd say this is I guess around $500, $600, and like that's a lot of money for, just writing a book. So you get the whole idea of it, and you can, one by one, chapter by chapter, write a whole damn book on ChatGPT, which is also a pretty great thing. So yeah, you get the whole like gist and general idea of how you're going to use ChatGPT to actually make good money by just doing copywriting and, writing content and writing digital idea contents and all of that. So, you get the whole idea and gist of it. And yeah, I say that's about it. So, yeah. If you found this helpful and informational, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this where I help you in making money in the easiest way, please do make sure to let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it in general for this video. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.